Hello, eco friends. Here's a super simple vegan banana bread recipe that comes out perfectly every time. I've adapted this from a Martha Stewart recipe with just a few tweaks, and I add in raspberries and raspberry jam, but you can leave this out if you don't have any. So in this little bowl, I'm going to be pouring in some water over my ground flax seeds just to make them thicken up a little bit, and I'll set that aside. Now you really want some really nice and ripe bananas here. As you can see, mine have spots on them, but that's totally fine. That's actually really good in this recipe because then they'll be really sweet. So you're gonna mash those up really well and then pour in some vegan butter. You can also use coconut oil, but I just prefer the non-coconutty taste of this. Now add in your vanilla and your vegan milk. You can use almond milk, you can use oat milk, whatever you have on hand, and mix that all through. Now pour in your dry ingredients. So I have some flour here. Also just added in some baking soda and some sugar and salt. Now I'm just gonna whisk this together till it's all combined. I will add in this flaxseed mixture. I'm gonna add it into my wet ingredients. All right, now let's just combine these. Get that mixed up really well and pour in the dry ingredients. There. Now that's basically done. A few lumps are okay. You don't want to overmix this either because then it won't be light and fluffy. Instead of using parchment paper, I just have this silicone baking mat, and now I just insert my silicone baking mat into a loaf pan, and I just greased only the sides here because this part I can easily just lift up. I'm gonna pour in my mixture here, show you how that works. I have some raspberry jam here, and I'm just going to pour it in. And now we're going to create that beautiful swirl. I'm so excited. This is like probably the best part of doing this. I'm gonna just take a chopstick and slowly swirl that around. It is so satisfying to do this. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, so now you can use these if you want, but I do have some on hand, so I decided why not. But you don't really need them. I'm gonna just decorate like this. Ain't she a beaut? Now pop this into the oven for around 55 minutes to an hour at 350 degrees. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious and flavorful and super moist. Okay, I really don't like that word, but I think it describes this pretty well. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.